UNBOXIBG gang, so I'm back with another hair unboxing for you guys. Today, this video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. So guys, I did receive my package in this big yellow envelope. Off the back, I'm already impressed that, I received my package in this envelope. So I'm just going to open up the package. And this is the box that the hair came in. It's a pretty box. I love the gold detail. On the back of the box is also some frequently asked questions about the hair as well. This hair is from Nadula off of Amazon. So when you open the box, it looks like this. At the box, you do have your wig. Your wig come in this big packaging. Off the back, I like that. I like to store my wigs in really big Ziploc bags, so this bag will definitely come in handy. They also sent me some beautiful lashes. Oh. As well as, I believe this is, it's a cute little holiday, like a little Christmassy hair tie. So that's cute. And it also have this thank you. It also has this thank you card in it, and it has Nadula on the back, and it also have Amazon, and in the search bar, all you have to put is Nadula Hair. So that's really cute. So on to the wig, ladies. Now, I'm just going to pull up everything on my phone. Basically, this wig is a 13x4 straight highlighted lace frontal wig. The 150 density is already pre-plucked. When you take your hair out the plastic, it already has a hair net on it. Y'all know I love these hair nets because they be coming in handy. It comes with the styrofoam already inside the wig to keep the shape of the wig off the back. I like that. As well as some tissue paper inside. So this is how the wig is looking, you guys. It's the, the oh so famous wig everybody is rocking nowadays with the highlighted front pieces. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. Hopefully you guys can see that. And this is how the lace is looking as well. So I'm basically going to turn the wig inside out. This wig has one comb in the back. It also has two combs right here on the sides, and it does not have a comb in the nape area, which is fantastic because I normally take my combs in the nape area out. And it also have the adjustable straps in the back. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, so it's 13 inches from ear to ear, and it's 4 inches parting space. It did say that it was pre-plucked. Also has like this natural parting in the wig. So I'm basically going to show you guys how I bleach my knots because I did get asked that question on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, all my social medias are down below, so definitely go out and check that out. The hair is very soft. I did get one strand of hair on my table. Not getting any snagging as I run my hand through this wig. I like the fact that there is no lace in the nape area. Guys, definitely stay how it looks after I finish putting all the bleach on. Now I'm gonna set my timer and I'm going to let this sit for 29 minutes. And you also can go in with some foil paper and put some foil paper over it so it could also process faster.
This is how the lace is looking after it's been bleached.
So guys, after I finished bleaching the frontal, this is how everything is looking. Bleach the knots on this lace frontal. I only used 3 scoops of the bleaching powder and 10 capfuls of the bleaching developer to get, you know, the lace, you know, bleached or whatever. So I did have to go and cut the size of the wig because the wig was a little bit big and it was over my ears. I'm going to show you guys an easy trick on how to cut the wig over your ears for beginners. I am a beginner myself, so I'm going to basically show you guys an easy tip on how to do that as well in the next video. But I did go in and apply my elastic band. So basically this wig is fitting really snug on my head, and I did adjust the straps in the back. I normally do not put the combs in my braids on the side. I only put the comb, I only tuck the comb in the back, and that's it. And I did go in a little bit and customize the hairline just a little bit, because, you know, I didn't want to do too much customization on a lace frontal, because after, you know, after a while, you guys know, a lace frontal, you know, start to lose hair over time of you wearing a lace frontal wig. So I didn't want to go plucking crazy, but this is how everything is looking. So I'm gonna basically go and do what I do. So enjoy. the finished look. I really like this wig. The hair is very silky, it's very soft. I love the highlighter pieces. I just do some quick and easy wand curls in the hair. I didn't want nothing too over the top. I just wanted something really cute and chic. As y'all can see, the knots on this lace frontal, it did bleach very well. I really didn't have to go in and add the powder in the middle of the part. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial as well as this unboxing. And once again, this is Nadula Hair off of Amazon. I will leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy this video. Don't forget to also subscribe as well. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.